Well, it won't be long before we're thinking about Mardi Gras and Fat Tuesday and all those fun times. And joining me now with more on a recipe that fits those times is Leslie Boswell. Leslie, it's good to see you. Tell us a little more.
I have had a true New Orleans King's cake a number of years ago, and I absolutely loved it. And I've been trying to find little ways to make it again. And I think I found one this time that is about as easy as you can get. It takes, that's why I've got the beads. It takes crescent rolls, and you pull them out into squares or rectangles, and you pinch these centers together just to make a big rectangle. And then I've got 1 box of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla in here. And you just spread that down the center. And you can do that on all 4 of these. And then you take a little bit of cinnamon and just sprinkle it over the top. And for this, then you take this, wrap one side up, wrap the other side over. So you're basically rolling it in thirds. And if you put the bottom side down, you can take a cutter, cut that into 4 sections. Just that easy. Place them on a baking sheet, put them in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. You can watch yours depending on how it does. And when they come out, you're going to want to let them cool for just a little bit, and they're going to look like this. Then you can get into, I've got powdered sugar glaze, powdered sugar, just a little bit of milk just to make it a glaze. And then I've got the purple, the green, and the yellow. These are just colored sugars that you can use for your decorating. You can dip one of these in your glaze, and then you can dump them, or you can dip them, or you can sprinkle them, or however you want to put them into the different colors. Or you can make one that's all purple. You can make them different colors. You can make them all the same color. Or another thing you can do is use pink and white or red for Valentine's Day. Use just a green for St. Patrick's Day. They are called King's cakes, but you can use them for about anything. You can make them red, white, and blue for the 4th of July. They'll work for about anything, but they only take about a half an hour to put together. Done, decorated, on to the next thing. And there you have some Mardi Gras king cakes.
All right. Thank you, Leslie, for putting us in the mood for Mardi Gras. And thanks for being here today.
All right. Thank you, John. Glad to do it.